Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money to Nepal using the Paysend app step by step. But before we get started, if you want to save on transfer fees, you can use the invite code from the description below and your first transfer with Paysend will be completely free. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. First, you want to download and install the Paysend app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And once done, open the app and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Then you want to go to the transfers page. This is where you can actually request and send money. But please keep in mind, if you can't find the send button in your Paysend app, it means that sending transfers is not yet available in your country. As you can see, it's not showing on my end, so it's not yet available here, but here's how it looks like. From here, you want to choose send, then choose someone else, send to someone else. Then from here, you want to enter the recipient's country. So in this case, you want to choose Nepal and then select their receiving currency. Then choose how your recipient will receive the money. So it could be through a bank account, a card account, or even a mobile wallet. And after that, just simply enter your recipient's details, including their full name, email, and payment information. And once everything looks correct, just confirm the transfer. Then Paysend will securely process your transaction. And depending on the recipient's bank or payment service, the money should arrive shortly. That's it. You've successfully sent money to Nepal using Paysend. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.